Hey that guy, I want to open a magical code. Let's see what inside. It's very tough. It's a lion. It's a bat. It's a tomb. It's a spider. It's a water gun on a cat. It's a light on a castle. It's a zombie. It's a rat. It's a knife. It's a bug. It's a Charizard and a Blastoise. It's a man with a light on the forehead. It's a goblin. It's a magical ring.